What is the value of the expression 24 divided by 6 times open parenthesis 2 plus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's break it down step by step together. Many people when trying to solve this question, first add 2 plus 2 inside the parenthesis, which gives them 24 divided by 6 times 4. In the next step, which I have highlighted in yellow, they multiply 6 by 4, which becomes 24 divided by 24. And finally, they get the answer 1. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, first we go to the parenthesis since it has the highest priority compared to the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 24 divided by 6 times 4. In the next step, we need to evaluate this expression. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the expression and move up step by step toward the right. So, first we divide 24 by 6, which gives us 4 times 4. And finally, it equals 16. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.